Welcome to my channel. So I know I haven't uploaded in a while, but I am back. I decided to do a clean with me video, organize my refrigerator, and I also wanted to show you guys real quick that I don't know if you can see that, but I have an incense lighting. This smoke right here is crazy, but anyway, I just wanted to show you really quick that I took my silverware, what do you call this, a silverware container, and I put my spices in here, and it works perfectly. So I'm just going to show you how I organize my refrigerator and how I organize my spices for cooking seasonings. I hope you like the video. Stay tuned and enjoy. Also like this video and comment. This is first things first. This is the silverware compartment holder, and I already had this extra one at home, so I wasn't using it, and it was just in the drawer, so I thought why not put these in it. And I'm like, they don't fit exact, because at first I wanted to put it like this, but you see it doesn't fit, so I just set it up here like this for the video real quick. And yeah, so I just set it up here like this, and I figured that I can just stack them on each other from it sliding down. And like this one, it's stuck between the edges. This one, it has like that tight filling right there, so it's not going to move, and the baking powder is stuck in there. So yeah, I put like the extra ones, like the big ones, out the way. Like the pepper, I can just grab from the cabinet like that. And then even like the adobo fits, it just lays right there. But yeah, I thought that that was like a good little trick you can use if you have a cabinet like this. Yeah, so I'm going to have to clean this out next. This is where all my spices were, and up here. So now I'm going to clean my cabinet out, and I'm just going to have these. Everything else is going in the garbage. So here is my refrigerator. So I pretty much should have got a before picture, but this is the after. I cleaned out all my drawers on this side. I'm going to be cooking that ground beef tonight, but I cleaned out all this, and I just rearranged. I still have to do that top part with that cilantro and stuff. But yeah, so I just got my protein shakes up here, some lunch meat, but some bread for the kids to grab, easy stuff in here, some snacks. I know like these cookies can go in the cabinet, but this would be easier for them to grab. I got these bins from the Dollar Tree, and then this one, like you saw before, the Danimals, they fit perfectly, and some oranges for the kids. And then these containers are also from Dollar Tree, and I was able to fit all those snacks in there. Nothing right there. Got some milk, some tortillas, and all the juices in here for the kids. I forgot to get a case of water for me. And this thing, I don't know what I'm going to put in it. Maybe when I go back to the store tomorrow. But yeah, it looks so much better with these containers. I love these containers. I'm going to definitely have to get some more and just put everything I can in. Maybe even trying to figure out something with this, because when you're getting stuff, you know, the bottom of it gets dirty. But these containers make such a big difference. Like, look how nice and neat that looks. So you can just go in and grab it. And yeah. Alright, so thank you guys for watching my video. If you like what I did, let me know in the comments or give me a like. I'm just trying to do something different. I'm trying to keep my mind off what's going on in a few more days. If you want to know about that, you can subscribe to my other channel. And yeah, I enjoyed doing this video. The kids were gone, so I had some time to get some extra cleaning. And I'll talk to you guys later. See you in my next video.